for completing the course. So we will go up to this 31st, and 1st of April, most probably 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th will be holidays due to Holy Week, and 5th again, 5th, 6th, if we have work, I will let you know. See, most probably all the designs we have completed. Tomorrow we will deal with connecting data with Photoshop file for printing certificates. And now, my dear friends, I'm going to give you the demonstration on creating or designing a badge. Have you seen badges? Have you all seen badges in the programs?
Yes,
in
sir.
the college programs or school programs or other programs? They wear badges, colorful rounds, different circles will be there, different rounds will be there. And, badges will vary participants to the chief guest. But the center portion that you paste, center portion, the content of the badge, the round that is used to be in cloth designs will be will not alone be enough. We will have to paste the center part. We'll have to design and paste the center part. Now we shall see the size of a badge. Okay. Now, is my screen visible to you all? 1 minute, I'm just sharing the screen. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now look at here. 3 into 3. 3 by 3. The size is 3 by 3. Am I clear? 3 by 3. And the resolution is 300. The resolution is 300, right? It is RGB. 3 by 3. With this 3, height is 3 and the resolution is 300. The color mode is RGB. Okay, the color mode is RGB. Right, I have it. Now I have the working area or the file. See, now what do? I have to put up a circle. Now to the shopkeeper, you have to tell them that it has to be printed in you have to print this in sticker media. Am I clear? Right. Now look at here. At this corner, I keep the mouse. Go down to shape tool. From these, you will have to choose the custom shape. Select the custom shape and choose the ellipse. I choose the ellipse. I keep in this corner. Okay. Right. I draw. See, look at here. I have chosen ellipse. I kept it in the corner and draw, touching upon all the sides. Okay. I've designed touching upon all the sides. Once again, I shall make it. Look at here. I just take this shape, elliptic shape, keep it in this corner. See, I'm just drawing from there, from the corner, and make sure it touches upon all the sides, right? I have made it touching upon all the sides, right? Okay, fine. Now do I see here one round I have created. I want to copy another round and create it within this. Okay, this is darker. I want to have a lighter color, right? Now what do? Before I move on, I just take the grid lines. See here, grid lines. 0.25. See, this is actually 1 inch. This is 1 inch. I want to go for 0.25. See here, I just make it here. I just leave it here. And this side also. Left side, 0.25. It falls here. See, on the top, you'll be able to measure. And the right side, the same. 3. Yeah, see here, it is here. At the bottom, I bring it down, drag it, and do it like this. See here, I have created, right? All the sides I have taken. Now what do? I just take the shape 1. By pressing Alt, I have created another one. Right? Go layer, color overlay, and make it light color, light green maybe, or some other color which suits. Okay, light green. See here, I've got light green. What should I do? I have to make this fit into the 4 frames. See here, 4 lines that we have. It has to touch all the 4 grid lines. Look at here. So I have created the outline and the inner layer, inner circle and outer circle. I have created inner circle and outer circle. Am I clear to you? My dear friends, am I clear to you? I have created inner circle and outer circle. Yes. Now look at here. I want to create the center, this thing also, center point also. Just where is the center point? It is 1.5. It falls here, 1.5. And this way, vertically, it falls here. So this is the center space, right? Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Now what do? I want to type a name here. See, I just take it like this and type the name, or type it as Department of Computer Science. Department of Computer Science. Department of Computer Science. I just take some other letter, which is, yeah, I'm taking this one. Taken this one. Okay. Department of Computer Science. Okay. Science, right? Department of Computer Science. I want to increase the size a little bit. Yeah, I've increased it. Now after doing this, straight away I'm moving, keeping it on the top. Look at here. This is called text warp. Text warp. W-A-R-P-E-D, right? Warp. I just click over here and select the arc. I have selected the arc and pressing OK. Look at here. Once again, I shall do that. I'm doing it once again. Sorry. Okay, I've done that. Look at here. I've got a text. See here, it was like this. Previously, the text was like this. 1 minute. The text was like this. Okay. It was like this. The text was like this. That was here. I shall show you once again. See, the text is here. And I just, after selecting it, go on the top, click here. Then you will get the arc like. See here. See, I'm able to make it. See, fully 100. I made it fully 100. Now press Ctrl T. Now look at here. I have pressed Ctrl T. Ctrl T and bring it exactly to this. And on the top also you will have to make it. See here. On the top also I have to make it. 1 minute. Bring it exactly within that, right? Okay. Now I have to change the color. I just select color overlay and change the color as white color. See, I'm just making the color as white color. See here, adjust a bit so that it is altered. Yeah. Now look at here. I have the text kept on the top, right? See, uniformly. Now what do? I want to have the same at the bottom. I want to have the same at the bottom, maybe with different text. Okay, what do? I just take the same. Look at here. I just take the same. See, there is a text available, but I want to change. Before I want to change, I want to bring it at the bottom. See here, I just click here, and now vice versa. See here, this side. I have taken it this side. Now take this. See here, I've got it. Now I am going to type St. Joseph's College, Trichy, right? St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. Okay, 62002. Okay, right. Now it can be little more wider. So what should I do? See here, I'm just taking it little bit. Yeah. Now I'm taking it slightly on the top, right? Okay, fine. Now type Department of Computer Science on the top, the St. Joseph's College at the bottom. Am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Now, shall I keep a small circle here to differentiate the top and the bottom? I go again to custom shape tool, and from here shape, I just take this star like thing, flower design. I just keep it here. See, I just keep it in this corner and keep it exactly just on the top of this. Go to layer style, color overlay, and make it as yellow color. Yellow also will suit here. See, I've brought yellow color, and I copy the same by pressing Alt key and keep another yellow, another star here this side. So I've got it, right? I've got it. Now the outer layer is designed with the text. Now I want to go for the center part. Center part, usually what is the festival or what is the program, things like that, that you will have to keep it. Before that, we'll go for the logo. For example, if you have a logo exclusively for this program, you can keep it here. Exclusively for this program, you can keep it here. Otherwise, you can put up the institution logo, and at the bottom, you can go. Don't worry about the content. Those who want the content, they will give. If you are holding the institution, if you are designing for your own institution, you can put the institution name on the top or festival name or whatever it may be. You can design it, right? So it's up to you. Right. Right now I'm going to choose the logo of the college. Now look at here. I'm just choosing the logo of the college. I have 1 minute. I just pick it up from the internet. I want a bigger one. Okay, I just copy and go here, paste it. Right. To remove that, to remove black color, this. Okay, fine. Now look at here. I just keep it on the top. I've kept it on the top, and I'm going to type here as maybe what festival is this? Maybe some festival, no? Or annual day, college day, something like that. College day 2021, something like that. Okay, I kept it. I want to make it as bold. College day 2021. I can go with any color. Okay, either a gradient or any color that you can go with. Okay, I've just fixed this color, and at the bottom, maybe if it is for chief guest or for teachers, professors, or organizing team or functioning team, maybe if it is for chief guest, otherwise organizing team, change the color, and change the font. Right. See, I put it as organizing team. It can be kept at the bottom, right? It can be kept at the bottom, right? Okay, am I clear? See, the design is over now. How do you give it to the printer? See, giving it to the printer is in the form of JPG file. Give them in the form of JPG file. They will arrange it and they will cut it in the die that they use. They use die. With that they cut it exactly in a round shape. And the media is supposed to be in sticker media. Okay, we can strip off and paste it in the badge exactly. So the badge size may vary. See, the badge's size may vary. Chief guest to ordinary badge, it may vary. But the center portion will be the same. You can strip off and paste it in the center. Only the circle outside, that varies, and that will differentiate whether the chief guest or organizing team, whatever it may be. And along with that, you also give a tag here, organizing team or chief guest or somebody. So you can give that. For example, if you want it for chief guest, okay, or guest of honor, maybe the principal, something like that. So you can give the badge separately with the name, right? You know how to save it. Save as badge, and I just name it.
Guest.
Yeah, yes. And I just name it as PST also. PST file also. See,
Spelling.
yes, sister.
Guest spelling, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for reminding. Yeah. Now, after saving it, you have to pass over the file to the printer. Okay, so that he will file it accordingly, and he will give you in the dyeing, and only you will get the round shapes. He will cut it and give you, or he will dye it and give, or you can strip off the round shape and paste it in the badge. Now, any clarification? Any clarification with this? Once again, I shall tell you the procedure. Now look at here. I just go with the new. The size is, the latecomers please follow it, 3. With this 3, and the height is 3. Resolution is 300. I've got this. Now what do? I just draw a circle or ellipse. See, look at here. I just keep it in the corner. From here you start drawing. See here, touching upon all these side. Okay, right. I have created. Now I change the color. I would like to go for changing the color. Maybe some dark color. Okay, right. Some dark. See, outer circle, let it be a dark color, and the inner circle, let it be light color. Now look at here. I just go keep the grid lines. See, 0.25 in all the sides. 0.25 in all the sides. 0.25 in all the sides, right? In all the sides, I keep 0.25, right? Okay. Now I take another circle. How do I take another circle? I just take Alt key and I go to color overlay and change the color as light colors, some light colors. See? Okay. And now what do? I take this circle and keep it here, touching upon all the sides, and put to Control T and make sure it touches upon all the sides. See? All the sides of the grid line, inner grid line. So you get exactly like this. And with regard to the characters, you will have to type and you will have to make use of, for example, okay. See, I will have to make this as a circle shape. Now how do I do that? I click over here and see here, right? I take the arc, press 100 fully, and change it into, see here, change into, bring it here inside, then it will be okay. See here. You will have to adjust like this. Okay. Yeah, I have got it. Now I will have to change the color. Look at here. I just go layer, maybe yellow color. Am I clear to you? Like this, you can change the color. You can even reduce it or decrease it, increase it. You can do anything that you want, right? Okay, fine. Am I clear to you? The same thing, you can copy it and put it at the bottom also, but you'll have to change it in, see, when you select it, no? When you select this, it has to be taken this side. The pending supposed to be taken in the opposite direction, then you'll get it at the bottom. Am I clear to you? You'll be getting it at the bottom, right? Now, my dear friends, so I suppose all of you have got it. Other things I have told you already. Now, any clarification? Any clarification for designing the badge?
Sir, for that, first,
yeah, yes, go ahead. Dinesh, we are not listening to you, Dinesh. Dinesh, please.
Why choose?
Dinesh? Yes, go ahead, Dinesh. Dinesh, go ahead.
Sir, I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible.
So why we choose the background circle, sir, instead of square?
See, it will be in circle shape only, no, pa? See, badge
sir, very first, sir, first நம்ம background set பண்றோம் sir. அப்பவே ஏன் sir சார் அப்ப நம்ம சர்க்கிள்ல செட் பண்ண முடியாது சார்.
See, see, Kana, you must understand, Kana, the badges only will be in circle shape only, no? You don't have badges with square shape.
எஸ் சார்.
I'm talking about the badge that is worn by the chief guest and others, no, round shape. Have you seen it in the colleges?
எஸ் சார். சார் அதான் சார், அது நம்ம பேக்ரவுண்ட் வந்து
What? என்னப்பா கேளுங்க. Ask me, pa. Come again.
Sir, he's asking whether the canvas can be circle instead of a square.
No. See that working area. How can it be circle, pa? It should be circle only. It should be circle or rectangle. Okay. Only the round area will be printed and will strip off and paste it in the badge.
ஓகே சார். சார் இப்போ பேனர் இது ஃப்ளெக்ஸ் பேனர் ரவுண்ட்ல இருக்குல்ல சார், அந்த மாதிரி பண்றப்ப ஸ்கொயர்ல பண்ணோம்னா எப்படி சார் இது பாசிபிளா இருக்கும்?
See, printing will be done in square only, pa. Printing will be done in square only, but they will cut it in circle. Am I clear to you? They will cut it in circle and paste it.
Okay.
Am I clear to you? They will print it in square only, but only in the round area will be printed. For example, look at here, this badge. See, only this will be printed in this circle square only, but see this white area, no, will not be printed. This white area will not be printed. So what do? We cut only this round and paste it in the badge. Am I clear to you? That's why we are using this circle. Instead of that, we cannot, the file itself cannot be a oval. The file working area cannot be oval. Am I clear to you? The file working area cannot be oval, and this is the right methodology is to strip off and use it for the badges. Okay. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
So please explain how to rotate. Do you just turn na this in St. Joseph College?
Yes, madam.
Sir, please, how to do this?
Okay.
Yeah, please, sir.
See here, look at here. I just take a text here. For example, I just type Vimal Jaral. Okay. Right. I click over here on the top. That's okay. Take an arc. Take this arc. There are other styles also. See other styles. See, you can use this other styles in maybe invitations and something like that. Am I clear to you? Invitations and then, for example, so look at here. Okay, I can make this Vimal Jaral like this. See here. Am I clear to you? The text like this. It can be used in invitations. Am I clear to you? Adjust and see. There are like this. See, for example, look at here. The text can be like this. The text. See. Am I clear? Different ways of text can be there. See here. Am I clear to you? When you adjust now, you will get all these.
Yes, sir. But sir, the St. Joseph College you have written na that how to flip it na that I'm not getting. Top so I'm able to do.
Yeah, bottom you are not able to get it. See, madam,
Yes,
you
yes.
just turn it this side, madam. See, the opposite side. Okay, if you take this side, it will come on the top. If you take the knob this side, then it will come. See here. Am I clear to you? See, I'm getting
Okay,
it
sir.
on the
Yes,
top.
yes.
Now
Yes, sir.
you
Thank you, sir.
take it here, then it comes down. Okay, madam. Take a
Yes,
copy and
thank you,
do
sir.
this. Yeah, you'll get it. Yeah. Any other clarification? Any other clarification? Can you make it? Can you all make it? Can you all make it? Can you all make it? May I have your answers, responses? Can you all make it?
Yes, sir.
Others? Can you all make it? Yeah, I want your answers at least in the chat.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I suppose all of you will get it. Yeah, we'll move on for another segment of T-shirt designs. T-shirt design, right? Now, see, when we talk about T-shirt design, you must remember that T-shirt design that involves the front and back design. Front design and back design. Some of the T-shirts will involve, T-shirt design means not the texture that we are going to design. No. T-shirt will be printed. T-shirt will be made. Only the front logo and the back designs. So they will tell you, maybe if some boys are designing, means they want to have some funny designs or some attracting designs. If the institutions go for, they want to have formal designs. So you will have to design it and show them how it looks like. Okay, right. Now look at here, I'll show you a model of t-shirt design, and I request you to be creative on your own. Be very creative on your own. I'm going to give you assignments. You will have to fit this into a t-shirt and submit. But actually you don't fit it into the t-shirt. You design it and it will be printed on the t-shirt. Okay, but just to visualize, you have to paste it or you have to fit it in the t-shirt and show me. Right. Right now, front logo. You're going to design a front logo. I will just show you. See, design on the t-shirt. Design on the t-shirt. Look at here. See here. See, there are so many designs. See, front design, back designs, and see here. So you will have to make it on your own. So many t-shirts, right? Formal, shall we go for formal? See here. See, some words. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to give you a model of a formal design that you design it for an institution, right? That you do it for an institution, right? Formal t-shirt. I'm just taking a formal t-shirt, right? Okay, I'm just taking this t-shirt. Yeah, okay, I'm taking this t-shirt or this one also. I can take any of these. See, this is just to visualize. See, you are not going to put the design in the t-shirt itself. Okay, we design and give it to the printer, and the printer will make the print over the t-shirts, right? For which you will have to make what size. At the front, it is better if you are going for formal one. It is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is better. See, I just go for inches. Make it as 3. Height is 3 and the resolution is 300, right? Or you can even go for up to 400, right? Because it has to be good. The resolution should be good. So I just go for 400, right? I just go for 400. I just click over here. But 300 will do. 300 resolution, 300 itself is enough. Now I'm going to take up a logo here and put some letters at the bottom, right? I want to go for letters, maybe Google. Yes, with logo. Yes, with logo. I just want to take this logo. I'm just copy, paste it here. Just remove the white other than white. Yeah, I take this. Simple. See, if you want to change the color, you can change it. If you want to have some attracting color, or if you want to have some colors, you can take it, right? You just keep it here. Yeah. You can change the color, gradient or pattern or color overlay. I would like to go for the color overlay and go for this blue, right? I have taken. Now at the bottom, I would like to go for Tamil Nadu Jesuits. Okay, I want to type it as Tamil Nadu Jesuits. Formal letter will do because we are designing for formal font at the front. So formal letters will be fine. Okay, I've done it. I've kept it at the bottom. Yeah. Change the color. Don't worry about the content because the content will be given by the users themselves, right? I've chosen. Now look at here. I've done it. Now how do you print it? You will have to print this in JPG format. You will have to save it as JPG format or PNG format. JPG format or PNG format. Now I go back. See here, this t-shirt. Now I just copy this t-shirt just to visualize. It is not that we put it in the t-shirt. Please don't mistake me. It is not supposed to be put in the t-shirt. Just to visualize, I'm just taking it up, right? I just go new. Yeah. I'm taking this t-shirt, making it a little more bigger also, so that Right. Now to visualize this, I just take this file layer 1 and text. I'm just bringing it here. See, it looks very big. It looks very big. I'm going to reduce it. Just to visualize. Okay, we are not going to use as it is, right? Okay, right. Look at here. I kept it. Now you can show your customer or the people who see how does it look like. See here. This is the one, the logo that is put at the front. Okay, right. Now at the back, we want to go for some design at the back. This is the front. Now I want to go for some designs at the back. Now, back design, it depends. Look at here. I'll show you some models. T-shirts, back design. See here, there are so many designs. See, these are all informal. These are all informal models. I request you to go for your own model. Anything can be printed. Anything can be printed. Am I clear to you? Anything can be printed that can be applied. Now for formal, for colleges, schools, we go for some better ones. Now to design that, see, the size may vary. T-shirt size may vary, but the print will be remaining the same. If it is bigger, smaller, whatever it may be, the print size will be the same. Even for smaller T-shirt to bigger T-shirt, the print size will be the same. The printing will not vary according to the sizes. Am I clear to you? Now the print width at the back should be between 8 inch to 9 inch, not more than that. 8 inch to 9 inch, that will be better. And the height can be any size. Height can be any size. Now let us see. Now 1 minute. I shall take up a formal T-shirt at the back, just to show you. T-shirt back side. Just to give a model for you, right? I'm just taking this model. Okay, maybe. Yeah, this may be the back portion. I'm taking this. Okay, right. I go here. I just design and go to new. See, I'm going for 8 inch width, and the height is 4 inch, and the resolution is 400. Okay, you can use it 300 also. Okay, right. I would like to design it here. I just go to internet and take up some model designs. Just will be should be attracted by the youth. So just type vector design for T-shirts. So you will have so many models. See here, look at here. These are all models, no? See, look at here. If you want to take one of these, you can use it. See here. So I just go for simply vector designs, right? Vector designs. See, I can use any of these. See here. See, I can use this. So anything can be used. So please go for any of the designs. See here, I can make use of this and type here. I can put it here. I can also see here. I just take this one. I just copy and paste it here. I would like to change the direction. I go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. See, I've taken the direction different, right? I just remove those colors, that white color, I mean the black color. I've got it. Now the plain file, I've got it. Now I increase the size of this letters. I keep it here, and I keep the logo here. For example, the same T-shirt, I would like to keep the logo, this logo there, right? Reduce the size and fit in here. Be creative. You need not follow me. Be creative. Just understand the tactics alone, right? I just want to go for. See, I just would like to type Good Samaritans. Good Samaritans. Samaritans. I just want to have that caption as Good Samaritans. Now I want to go for some stylish fonts. Instead of formal font, I would like to go for some stylish fonts. You can choose the fonts whichever that you like very much. Yeah, you can choose this any font that you like very much, right? That you like very much. So I would like to go for this, and look at here. I'm just rotating bit, or I can even use this. I can even use this whatever that we learned just now. Look at here, text drop. I just click here. I can choose here. See here, arc like, or maybe wavy, like see flag or wave. Am I clear? Flag. See, you can even do this like this. Am I clear? I can increase a bit. I can make it bolder. It should be bold so that it looks good. The print, no, it should look good. I would like to change the color, or you can even go for gradient overlay, or you can go for color, right? I just go for blue, dark blue. I've done it. Now I've designed it. Then save it as JPG, or maybe where is the other one? Other design that we have. Okay, I just copied. Okay, I just take a T-shirt, the back design. Okay, I shall take this one. Copy. Go here, paste it. One minute. Yeah, I've got this, and I would like to take this inside, right? See here, I just copy. So I've got everything here, and I have to put it here. Now it is bigger, the letters and the design is bigger. I just make it, reduce it. Am I clear to you? See? Okay, fine. It will be more 8" only, 8" only. Okay, see? Am I clear to you? Or you can even make it a little more bigger if you want. Okay. You cannot make it bigger because it will be fixed. Though the T-shirt size varies, it will be fixed. So you can make it in different way, different style, so that you can print the letters in any form that you want. Okay. The colors, maybe color of the text, or the design of the text, or the logo, or the design that you print. Everything matters a lot. For example, you can even do this way. For example, the logo and the design that can be kept on the top. See, am I clear to you? This one can be at the bottom. If you like to design it, don't design it here after keeping it in the T-shirt. Okay, it will be a faulty method. You'll have to design that separately, then bring it. I'm just showing you how it could be modified. Clear? Right? Can you modify, right? Like this. So you can design front and back. And sometimes, see, you will have to design individual names. You will have to print the individual name. For that, simply you can put as maybe Vimal Jaral, maybe straight line, Vimal Jaral. Individually also can be printed like sportsman. For that, design is not needed. Just give them the name. They will have the standard format. They will print it. But if you want to go for designing your own t-shirt with model and stylish one as the youngsters like, you will have to make nice designs making use of internet. You know, you can go for a website called Pixabay where you find images. Pixabay, where you get stunning images. Pixabay, you'll get images. This is the website Pixabay, pixabay.com. You'll get images. Okay, for example, vector designs. You'll get not only that, any design. See, look at here. See here. You will get good design. See here. Use Pixabay. See here. See a heart shape. So many. See here. This is the shape. See this shape. You can take all these things are copyleft images. You can make use of copyleft image. See, you can see logo. You can take this and change the color and you can use it as a logo. Very well. See here, bigger image. You can download it. See, freely it can be downloaded. I can use it. See, bigger image, no? Copy and you can put it here in your own design. You can change it and change the color and design your own. For example, this portion can be chosen and the colors can be changed like that. You can use and you can make it your own. Am I clear to you? You can make it your own. Right. Now this is with regard to t-shirt design. So once again, my dear friends, I request you to please make use of different designs, different styles. At the front, let it be formal. At the back, let it be some stylish designs that could be there. And some t-shirt, for example, if it is sold on the the shops, completely stylish, the front back can be informal, no problem. But when you're designing t-shirts for colleges, schools, etc., then you will have to make it clear. See, some of you are working in schools, some of you are working in colleges. Why not you create your own designs for your t-shirt for your children or for yourself? Okay, I request you to do that. I want you to design it separately and fit it in that t-shirt just to make it visible. I want you to fit it in the t-shirt. Fit it. Kindly hold on. Okay, now I'm sorry. There was an interruption. I'm sorry. So have you got it? So you will have to design it separately. As of the t-shirt design, you will have to give it only the design. But now to visualize, you fit it in the t-shirt in a t-shirt and upload it for the assignment sake. Okay. But originally you design and give it to them. Okay. It depends upon the size and other things, that depends. But don't cover the entire t-shirt. It is not a formal t-shirt. If it is informal t-shirt, completely you can cover it entirely. Okay, you can go for, see, many of the t-shirts, neck t-shirt, they don't go for colorful. Single color only will be there. Outer line drawing will be there. Outer line design will be there. So you can, if you are interested, you can go for it. Otherwise, you can design your own t-shirt with formal at the big front and at the back it is informal. And one more tool that we have learned is web portal, Pixabay. For any of your design, you can make use of, the downloads. See, wonderful picture. For example, I shall give you another picture. For example, tiger. I would like to take tiger. Look at here. We get tiger images. You only get vector graphics. If you don't want vector graphics image, you want image or illustration. See here, you get illustrations. If you want to have images, you can get images. See here, beautiful images, bigger ones. I just take this. See, it's big one, quite big. Okay, you can freely download. See, downloading is also option is available. Look at here, the size option is available. Am I clear? For example, rose. You can definitely work with this. For example, look at here. I just click over here. Look at this rose, and you will have to purchase it. You'll have to see some pictures. You'll have to purchase some pictures. You get it free of cost, right? garden, rose garden. See, I just click here. See, this is absolutely free. See, bigger one. See, you can use this for background. Beautiful ones. See, like this, you can get any picture. See, meadow, grass meadow. See here, meadow.
So these pictures are licensed pictures, sir?
No. See, some of them are licensed, some of them are free. So if you get pay and upload, see here, this is continue. You will have to pay for 345. See, this is not free. This is not free. This is, you will have to purchase. Some of the images are free. For example, look at here. I just type it as Jesus. Look at here. I just click over here. See, this is free. This image is free. Am I clear to you? This image is free. Okay.
So free common license, you'll be seeing.
Yeah. See here, this image is free. When you click here, free download, you'll be able to get it. See here.
This picture we can use it, sir?
Yeah. Very well, you can use it. It's free, completely free. Copyright issue will not be there. Yeah.
Is that one?
This is Pixabay, right? So, my dear friends, I think any other clarification with regard to t-shirt design? Otherwise, we'll move on for flex banner design because many of you are asking for flex banner design because that video we missed it, and I will only give you the technical aspects. The design you know well. I'll give you the technical aspects. The design you know well. Any clarification with t-shirts, t-shirt designing? I've given you only a model, but you can be very creative in designing your own models, right? I suppose if there are no clarifications, then we'll move on for flex banners, right? Okay. Now be clear. The flex banner size varies. There is no fixed size. There is no fixed size at all. The flex banner size varies. There is no fixed size at all. So we will have to think what design we should go for. So for example, look at here. I just designed 5x2, just a welcome banner. 5x3, and the resolution is 600. 5x3, 600. Resolution is 600. I'm sorry. It's supposed to be inches, right? New 5, and the height is 3. The resolution is 600, right? I've got the file. Now I want to design. Now see here, I just choose my own design, or I can take it from internet. For time being, I would like to go for my own design. I just take it like this. See, for example, green, white background. Green, white background. I've taken green, white background. Right. I've got it. Now I'd like to keep, stay away, or keep social distancing, or maybe a welcome banner. Maybe a welcome banner. Right. Hearty welcome to, I just type it as, maybe look at here, hearty 48, okay, hearty welcome. Okay, just done that. Hearty welcome 2. Type 2 here. Or you can type there on the top itself. Why do you waste space? The design, you please take it on your own. Okay, I'm not taking up the design. Only the technical aspects I'm just telling you. So be careful with the resolution alone. Okay, resolution alone. And the color mode supposed to be CMYK. Please tell me the color mode supposed to be CMYK. I've not told you the color mode supposed to be CMYK. Right? And there are so many passes available. For example, 1 pass, 2 pass, 3 pass. And when you go on increasing the pass, the quality of the image or the quality of the flex banners will be good. So please have if you want to go for a permanent banner, to be fixed permanently, then go for more than 3 passes. We call it as star quality, star media. We call it as star media, right? Star media. The quality of the flex material will be fine. Now, I just would like to have a maybe to whom you are welcoming, maybe the principal or maybe prime minister. Here, for example, I'm just taking this picture, just copy. You know how to remove the background. Right now, I don't have time, so I just take it as it is. I just erase. And what do I do? At the bottom also, I just erase it. Look at here. I just choose the eraser tool and increase the brush size. I can remove the bottom. See here. You know why I use the eraser tool like this? It will look like an immersed look. See? Am I clear to you? See, it is merged with the background. Okay. Maybe the name can be put at the bottom. Can be a separate text. Yeah, I put it, and see, borders will not be may not be there for flex banners. Borders may not be there for flex banners, right? So because you are going to fit it in a frame only, right? I just want to go for bouquet, flower bouquet, flower. Okay. For example, both the sides to just show it. Just welcoming, maybe. Shall I take this? Yeah, I'm taking it. Copy. Remove the white color. Yeah, I've removed it. Sometimes you'll have to be cautious because when you remove the background, the flowers also will go off. See, I just reduce this side. And I want to have the same. How do you bring the same? Layer, see, duplicate layer. I've created a duplicate layer, duplication of the same. And I just go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. See here? I just keep this side. That's all. The flex banner is designed. And the file that you will have to save is, see here, save as, go to save as, and use TIFF file. TIFF at the bottom. TIFF, TIFF file. Okay, you will have to give it to the shop as TIFF file. Because when you give it in a TIFF file format, you can edit it if you want. If you want to make some final correction. If you give it in JPJ, no corrections or no modifications can be done. If it is in TIFF file, they can change the color, they can modify anything that they want. If it is not compliance to the format that it is to be printed for flex. Am I clear? So it will be saved in TIFF file. Okay. Before you give it to the printer for printing flex. And you have to tell them if it is temporary banner, it is 2 pass is enough. 2 pass is enough. If it is permanent banner, you go for star material above 4 pass, above 3 pass. Am I clear? Above 3 pass. Right? This is about flex. Okay. Any other clarification? Any other clarification that you would like to have?
Yes.
On anything? Any other clarification? Any other clarification?
Sir,
Any other clarification? Yeah, please, Bala. Yeah. Yes, Bala.
Regarding components, you understand at the beginning of the class, sir.
Yes, dear. See, with regard to components, see, there are up to 16 plus components will be there. We will also add few more. Out of which it is enough that you can do 10. If you have done more than that, then it is well and good. That is up to you. So minimum 10 has to be completed. Minimum 10 assignment has to be completed, right? And I give you time up to this Sunday, coming Sunday. It was actually originally supposed to be 31st, but I shall give you time up to 31st. You can finish it. Sorry, the next Sunday. You can finish it, right? The date is maybe 3rd. Okay, 4th. Okay, 4th. Yeah, 4th. Okay, am I clear to you? And the test 1, test 2, and external test. Out of that, you will have to score at least 40 marks out of all these.
Okay, sir.
Your marks will be printed, and those of you who have not submitted the assignments, we will give you a certificate of attending participation, not successfully completed. Am I clear to you? If you have not done the test, we will give you a certificate that you have completed. Participated, not completed. Okay, course completion will not be there, right? Yeah, it's up to you. Free, you can freely choose. I know some of you are not able, but if you are unable to do it, then we will give you course participation, not completion. Feel free to ask for any. When is the last day to submit the assignment? Just now I told you. It's supposed to be 31st. And extend the same to 4th. Yeah, Dinesh sir, yes sir. Tell me, sir.
So, flexக்கு வந்து size வந்து inches வந்து it will be automatically changing feet.
Yeah, I told you. I'm sorry. Very good question. See, 1 inch.
So, இதே தான் sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
இதே வந்து நம்ம போட்டோ எடிட் பண்றப்பயும் யூஸ் பண்றோம் சார். அப்ப வந்து அது ஃபீட்டா மாறி கன்வெர்ட்
No. Flex machine is different and the other thing is different. Flex is different from the design that what you do. No, flex machine, you design it in inches, that will be converted into feet. Okay, so you can design it in inches, not in feet. Because if you go in feet, no, it will be very big. You cannot design. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I have told you already 10 assignments. Out of 16, 10 assignments need to be given. 10 assignments. 10 assignments enough.
Sir?
Yeah, yes, please.
So when I use the brush tool, some images still can be seen in the background, sir.
What is that, sir?
How to use the brush tool, sir? Yeah. How to use the brush tool in order to give shape, decrease the sharpness of the person.
Sir, I don't get your query, George. What is your query?
For the image, sir, those sharp edges, we use brush tool, right? So,
sharp edges. What is the brush tool that you
use? Asking feathering, sir. Feathering.
Are you asking about feather?
Yes, using the brush tool. Yes.
No. What is that? You are generally asking using the brush tool. I don't know what is using the brush tool means. What? Brush tool can be used for different purposes. What are you asking in that?
Yes, for in order that the person's image is not sharp, sir. Sharp edges. Just now you did for Modi, sir.
Yeah.
He's asking about erasing the.
Erasing is different. Yeah, erasing is different. Look at here. See, I've got this image. For example, look at here. I just got.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Can I leave, sir? Can I leave?
1 minute. Yeah. I'm. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. No.
Yeah. Look at here. See, for example, I say I'm using eraser tool, not the brush tool, eraser. So you can choose the feathered edge brush. Okay, any feathered edge brush and increase the size and you can erase it. See here. Am I clear to you? See? Am I clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other clarification? How to copy the text font? Anish sir, what is that? You asked copy the text font means what? Copy the text is Control C. You have to use. What is that, sir?
சார் இப்போ இன்னொரு டெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம வந்து ஃபாண்ட்ல கொடுக்குறோம், அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணி இன்னொரு டெக்ஸ்ட்டை டூப்ளிகேட் லேயரா பண்றதுக்கு எப்படி சார் பண்றது இது ஆக்சுவலா?
Alt that we have seen continuously, no? Just by pressing Alt, you will get another text. For example, look at here.
என்னோட பிசில வந்து Alt கொடுத்தா மூவ் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது சார். அதான்
look at here. I just select that Carty welcome, press Alt and bring it down. See here? I'm able to bring it down.
We have to drag it out, sir.
Yeah. Press Alt. Then you will get two brushes like see here and bring it down. That's all. Am I clear to you?
Thank you. Yeah.
Any other clarification? Any other clarification?
Sir, I have a doubt regarding the test, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, with the question, sir, please can I ask it now?
Yeah, please, please.
Sir, for the MCQ type,
Yeah.
We had a question how to duplicate a layer, sir. Please can I have the answer, sir?
Yeah, I will show you now. 1 minute. Look at here. I'll just discuss that. Yeah. Look at here. All of you can have the answer. Look at here. The first question: which of the following menu has a hue saturation? Supposed to be image menu. If you have given layer, also I have given marks. Supposed to be image menu. If you have given layer, also I have given marks. The first one, right? And the second one, the best resolution for flex banner is. You tell me what is the best one?
600, sir.
600. Yes. Yeah. Which of the following tool is used to clone the selected portion of the layers?
Clone
Which
stamp.
one? Clone stamp. Exactly. What is the option to hide other than the selected area in a layer?
Layer masking.
Feather.
Layer marking. Exactly. That is the answer. And shortcut for inverse?
Control shift.
Control Alt I.
No. Control Shift I. Control Shift I is the right answer. I'm sorry for
Yes,
those
sir,
who
yes.
attempted. Yeah. What is the key used for selecting a sample in a source for healing breast? It is by pressing Alt. It is by pressing Alt key, right? Shortcut for the ruler option is Control Shift R. Control Shift R. Yeah. Which of the following is not part of the layer style? You tell me color overlay is there.
Opacity overlay.
Yeah, opacity overlay. Yeah, it is not there. It is not there. All the others are there in layer style, right? Which of the following tool facilitates painting?
Smudge tool. Smudge tool.
Smudge tool. Yes.
Sir,
What is
but
it?
I have a doubt in this question.
Yes, tell
Smudge
me, ma'am.
tool is only for spreading this
No,
portion.
madam. Very clearly, please understand. Clone stamp, it's not for painting. Patch tool, it is not for painting. You just copy a place and paste it. Color
Yes, sir.
replacement tool is also
But
just
smudge
replacing the
tools are
color.
for spreading this color, na? Spreading that portion.
That is not painting, madam. That is not painting. See, that is not painting. Only in smudge you are painting. You are involved painting. Okay, that's what to see. It is very much known that smudge painting. People use that smudge painting. So smudge tool is used for painting. It's not for dragging. Dragging, you do it just for painting.
Not
Just
for
to have
dragging,
painting
sir.
effect.
Spreading that portion or color or particular thing.
Yeah, madam.
But
It is actually the correct answer is smudge tool, madam. It is not patch tool. Patch tool is not painting. You are not painting here. See, look at here. I just tell you. See, I am just using patch tool. Look at here. I am using patch tool. Okay, I just draw the portion here and keep it. 1 minute. For example, it is not an image. 1 minute. Look at here. I just use the patch tool. Look at here. It is not painting, no. I'm just taking a model or a source and pasting it to another place. It's not painting. But whereas smudge tool is painting. Look at here. Smudge tool. See, I'm able to make it. Look at here. I just use the smudge
The
tool.
color replacement tool we use painting technically, sir.
What is that?
For the color replacement tool.
No, madam. No, madam. It's for color replacement, madam. Only see, obviously 2 days before only it is start. See, I don't understand. Just 2 days before only it is start. What is the best answer? You tell me. See, all your queries are okay, but Sir taught you, know. Sir taught you, know. Smudge painting. So why don't you go for smudge? It's obviously smudge. Smudge tool is for painting.
When
Am I
sir
clear?
started the class, he also told this is a painting tool, na smudge. That is when sir.
Yeah. So color replacement tool that facilitates color replacement, madam. It is not fully painting. Okay, it is an added thing for painting. Color replacement added thing for painting. But directly smudge tool alone goes for painting. Use it for painting, right? Okay. Am I clear to you? Madam, I think who asked for this? Somebody asked for this. Madam, is this the one that you asked for?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I think one of
Yes.
yeah.
So for
Are
me,
you
the last,
clarified? Are you clarified, madam?
so for me, the last question, sir, to
What is that, ma?
duplicate the layer, sir.
Duplicating the layer. What is that? You tell me. What is the right answer?
Sir, I gave
Alt, sir.
Alt is the right answer, ma. Alt is the right answer. See, for example, look at here. I just duplicate this layer, no? For example, I just press this. By pressing Alt only, I am duplicating. Not by pressing Control. Am I clear, ma?
Okay.
It's Alt. Yeah, yeah. Any other clarification? Any other clarification?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, in badges, I'm not getting how to flip that the text na, that I'm not getting how to do. I'm trying, but I'm not able to do.
Madam, please type a text, madam. Look at here.
Yes,
I'm just
sir, I have typed, but means when I'm rotating now, it is the direction has been changed of the text.
Look at here. It is on the top. It is here. Click here and select the arc, madam. See here.
How to
Am I
flip,
clear?
sir? This is I'm able to do. When I'll flip it now on the bottom, that time it is
The bottom
mirror
it is like
image
this,
I'm
madam.
getting.
See, like this, madam. Bottom it is like this. Just turn this side. You will get it. Am I clear, madam? See, I got it. Sorry. It is there, madam. See here. If you pen like this, it is bottom, madam. If you go like this, it is on the top. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Take this side up and down. Yeah. Any other clarification?
So please can you
Yeah, yes, ma. Tell me, ma.
So,
One
how
by
to
one.
duplicate a layer, sir? Please can you show it again? Because it's not working for me, sir. All just
See here, ma. See here. Just press Alt, ma. Alt key. Just select a layer. Press Alt and move. See here. Just drag it. You will get it. Am I clear to you?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Clear to you, ma? Got it?
Yes.
Got it, pa? Just for example, I want to take this layer too. Okay, see, look at it. Pressing Alt, see here, I got it. See?
Yes.
Am I clear to you? I can get it. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, 3-dot shape in the shapes. Sir is telling use that shape and you can comb the coloring effect, sir. Combing
Yeah.
the hair.
Yeah,
I'm
yes,
not
madam.
find the 3 dots in the shapes where it is. How it to find out?
You just go to the brush tool, madam. You just go to the brush tool
Yeah,
and it will be there, madam.
it was not there, sir, for me.
If it is not there, just click here. Click
Where-
here, madam. Click on the top.
Where, sir? I could not see your screen.
Is it visible, madam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at here, madam. See, after choosing the smudge tool, see, look at here, I have chosen the smudge tool, right?
Yes, sir.
Go to brushes. And from here, if you don't see that, click here. Click here. See that arrow mark? No? Click
Yes,
here.
sir. That also I searched, sir.
You just select, for example, basic brushes, calligraphic brushes, dry brushes, fox brushes, natural brushes, something like that. You just click and you will get it, madam. You will get it, madam.
Exactly which brush it will be there, sir.
See, you will have to append and see, madam. See, for example, look at here. See, these are all various brushes. And see here, basic brushes. Append. These are all basic brushes. And calligraphic brushes. See, look at here. See, calligraphy like that brushes. And the next one we see dry media drop shadow brushes. See here, like drop shadow brushes and dry media brushes. Here you get something, no? For example, look at here. There are dots like this. You press one by one, madam. You will get it. It depends on. You cannot tell that exactly it is here. Okay, it depends. If you don't If you don't see that, then you will have to download it. You will have to download it from internet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you don't see that, you'll have to download it from internet. How do you download? You just go use internet, or tomorrow when everybody comes, I will just tell them all. Tomorrow you remind me so that it can be useful for everyone. Okay. So if you want to choose, you can choose any of these, madam. Look at here.
Thank you, sir.
So when is the final assessment?
Final assessment, I will let you know, madam. Maybe in the next week. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See, madam, here there is brush. Here there are many dotted brushes. Only 3-dot brush is not available here. We'll have to download it. I will tell you maybe when everyone comes so that it will be useful for others also. Any other clarification?
So how do you color the t-shirt into different colors they have, no? For games and all, they use the t-shirts.
Madam, that is different, madam. That is not done by us. That is done by dyeing, color dyeing. That is not, I'm not talking about that. Okay, that is color dyeing. We don't design that one. That will be different. That will be based on the thread, or they will dye it. Okay, based on that the color comes. We are concentrating only on the designs. Okay, madam.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam. Any other clarification? Okay, if there are no clarifications, shall we call it a day? Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. I request you to kindly fill the attendance. I request you to kindly fill.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.